So I heard you guys want to know how to turn these Rush rewards from Walgreens that we got from the Dove and Crest Deal earlier this week. So we're going to head inside and turn these Rush rewards into some Walgreens cash. Now, I love some body wash, so I'm going to be picking up some Nivea body wash on sale this week for $5. When you buy 3, you will get back $5 in Walgreens cash. So picking up 3 of them will total out to $15. Throw in that $4 store and $4 manufacturer's reward, which is going to drop you down to $7. Yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay, and then you're going to get back $5 in Walgreens cash. Now, y'all know if it's a way to get something cheaper using paper coupons, I'm going to do just that. So I'm going to throw in this 4 off of 2 paper coupon. So it's going to drop me down an extra $4. I'm going to pay $3, get back those $5 in Walgreens cash. And before you ask, yes, you can use all 3 of these in this one transaction. This is for 2 products. And then this manufacturing right here is for the 3rd product. And then the store coupon can be stacked with manufacturer coupons. So you're not doing anything crazy or illegal. Let's head up to the front. And then here is my receipt. Everything went the way it was supposed to. 3 body washes at $5 each. That's that $4 store rush reward, the 4 off of 2 paper coupon, as well as that $4 manufacturer's reward. Dropped down to $3, and I did get back my $5 in Walgreens cash. Yes, I could have used Walgreens cash to pay, but I like to plan for next week's deals, and I need at least $10 for next week's deals. But let me know if you score, guys, and follow for more.